Oh, hey, how's it going? Are you, are you doing good? Hey. Hey. There we go. Okay, let's try again. Oh, hey! How's it going? You're not answering me. I'm talking to you. David. David, I'm talking to you. David. Yeah, go ahead, talk. I get it, it's a set. Come here.
What? Do you want me to?
Yeah, come here. We're on the beach. Come on.
What?
No, come here. Okay, yeah, come right here.
Okay.
Come on, don't be scared. Get in frame. We already did this for you. You know that.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Yeah.
How's it going with you?
It's going fine. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. Have you been to the beach before?
Well, we live in San Diego, so yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I love the beach. This one has no lifeguard on duty, which is weird.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what they say. Whatever.
That's right. They do say that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's a cool beach back there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now what?
What, you didn't prepare a script?
No, I thought I was gonna be behind.
You know what? Forget it. We're done. I'm out. See you later. You didn't even prepare scripts. We're out. We're done. I don't even know where you're laughing. It's super inappropriate.
That could be my surprise.
Okay, no, we're cutting. Quick, get the cameras. Get the cameras!
Okay.